OLCO Kids.
Look up high! It's a weather disco party! Can you find the yellow colors? Clap your hands! Tap your feet! 3, 2, 1, let's go! One yellow sun. Hot, hot, hot. Two yellow clouds. Float, float, float. Three yellow hats. Tip, tip, tip. Four blue raindrops. Drip, drip, drip. Five blue umbrellas. Spin, spin, spin. Dance, dance, weather friends. Clap your hands again. Dance, dance, weather friends. Count from 1 to 10. Step to the left, step to the right. Everybody dance, so happy and bright. Great job! Now let's find the gray and white colors. Keep dancing! Here we go! 6 blue lightning. Zap, zap, zap. 7 gray winds. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. 8 gray snowflakes. Twirl, twirl, twirl. 9 white moons. Glow, glow, glow. Glow, glow, glow. 10 white stars. Twinkle, twinkle, twinkle. Dance, dance, weather friends. Clap your hands again. Dance, weather friends. Count from 1 to 10. Step to the left, step to the right. Everybody dance, so happy and bright. Yellow sunshine, blue sky too. Gray wind blowing, white stars for you. Round and round, jump up high. Wave hello to the happy sky. Dance, dance, weather friends. Clap your hands again. Dance, dance, weather friends. Count from 1 to 10. Spin around, touch the sky. Everybody sing. Hey, hey, hey! You did it! Let's count together one more time. 1 yellow sun. 2 yellow clouds. 3 yellow hats. 4 blue raindrops. 5 blue umbrellas. Yellow and blue, hooray! 6 blue lightning. 7 gray winds. 8 gray snowflakes. 9 white moons. 10 white stars. Gray and white, hooray! You counted from 1 to 10. You found